something to someone, to provide or to allow. Let me show you different way. We can you give with example. To hand something to someone. Example, she give me a book. Please give him the pen. Can you give me some water? Okay, to object, thing plus person. Example, my teacher give a homework. He give his friend a gift. I will give you my phone number. Give plus something. The doctor give advice to the patient. More example, don't give excuse, just tell the truth. This shop give discount to the student.